How to change Binance password. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now it does not matter whether you're using the mobile version of Binance. In my case, I have the website version right here, which is on the browser. Once inside, you can just go ahead and log in the account that you want to change the password with. Right after that, you want to click on this button. It is the profile icon right beside the deposit button. Now, once inside profile, click on settings. From here, you want to navigate through your accounts and click on security. Inside security, we then have the login password. Go ahead and click on this button right here and we will be able to manage our passwords on Binance. Go ahead and click on continue, and from here we will then be able to change our password, but first you have to verify your account on your email and phone number. Basically, you have to type a new password and confirm it after verifying both of those authentication. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.